Ever find yourself scrolling through Facebook, see an amazing video, and then lose it forever? Yeah, me too. But what if I told you there's a secret spot on Facebook that keeps a record of every single video you've ever watched? It's true, and I'm going to show you how to find it in less than a minute. First, open Facebook on your computer's browser and log in. Once you're on your home page, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. This takes you to your profile page. Now, look for the three little dots just under the Edit Profile button and give them a click. From the menu that pops up, select Activity Log. On the next page, look at the left sidebar and click on Logged Actions and Other Activity. A new set of options will appear. Go ahead and choose Videos You've Watched, and boom, there it is, a complete list of all the videos you've seen recently. You can even see the exact date you watched them. Never lose a video again. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.